Today we are starting from the very beginning. What is SQL? SQL stands for Structured Query Language, and it's the standard language we use to communicate with databases. Think of it as a way to talk to your data, to ask questions, organize it, and get answers instantly. SQL was first developed by IBM engineers in the 1970s as a way to manage and retrieve data from large systems. By 1986, it became an international standard, and since then, almost every major database system you've heard of, like MySQL, PostgreSQL, SQL Server, and Oracle, has built on it. Each one adds small differences, but the core SQL syntax stays mostly the same everywhere. Imagine we are building a school database. We could have a table called students, where each row represents a single student, with details like student ID, name, class, and age. Another table could be courses, listing all the subjects offered, with columns like course ID, course name, and teacher name. Now, each student can register for many courses, right? And each course can have many students. To link them together, we'd create a third table called enrollments that stores both student and course ID. Of course, both student ID and course ID. In this structure, student ID in the students table is the primary key, and in the enrollments table, the same column becomes a foreign key. This relationship is what makes it a relational database. It connects related data across multiple tables. And why do you think SQL matters? SQL helps us create, update, delete, and combine data from these tables in powerful ways. For example, we can easily ask, show me all students who are enrolled in the course called Mathematics. With just a few lines of SQL, you can pull that information in seconds. No need to click through endless spreadsheets. Here's an example. Select name, class from students where age is greater than 15. Now, this means select tells the database which columns we want. From tells it which table to look in. And then where filters the results. And in this case, we only want students older than 15. You can also join tables together, for example, to list each student with their course name. That's how SQL brings related data together into one powerful result. So, to sum it up, SQL is a universal language that lets us store, organize, and query data in relational databases. Whether it's a school, hospital, hotel, or business, if there is data, SQL can manage it. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to this channel for more simple practical lessons. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.